Good evening once more. So this is ClickFunnels. It may be a bit advanced for some. It's basically funnels pages that take you from one offer to the other, and it can be quite costly. But we'll review it anyway. And what's included is sales funnels. So you might have an ebook, and then it takes you to different products all on the same page. So this is what they offer. Don't know if you actually click on it. So here's some examples of sales funnels. Maybe not the best page to go into. So quite a good copy. Birds in the room. Struggling content flow of customers meet ClickFunnels, and that's what they do. You can get a free trial. Not going to do it today, but you can get it free for 14 days. Um, you start in less than 60 seconds, zero computer skills needed. Works for any business, could be drop shopping, lift good, could be what we do. So let's take a look at this quick video.
At some point in your life, you're going to think,
I should sell something online.
I could teach people what I know and make money.
I know people will pay me to sell their product.
I think people might pay for my music.
okay, so how are you going to make that happen?
Website. Something professional.
A huge online store? Like Amazon, but just for my stuff.
And links to all my socials.
Okay, great, but how will that help you make money? Here's the problem. Your website is one of 10,500 created every single hour.
What?
That's 250,000 per day.
That's so many websites.
Mine has a logo that my nephew made.
Yeah, and they're all fighting for your customers' attention. Most of those sites are awful. Customers get confused or overwhelmed by too many options, and they leave without buying anything.
Well, what do we do?
I'll tell you. You use ClickFunnels.
ClickFunnels?
ClickFunnels.
I don't get it.
Okay, so here's you,
What it do?
and your prospects are way up here, hanging out on these platforms. A funnel is like a road that moves them over to you.
Cool.
But how?
Well, it's a series of pages that walks your customer through their purchase. It builds trust. They'll know exactly what to do and where to go.
That's good, right?
Yup. It's like having your best salesperson helping them out every step.
Going to pause it there. For ClickFunnels, really good. It's kind of well known. Takes you through different pages. These are quite well known within the marketing industry. Um, and it does offer a lot of good things, to be honest. The 14-day trial, but you really have to know what you're doing to get started, and it's just way too much information. They're offering these great products, but the person starting out wouldn't really have a clue how to use them, and as a 14-day trial, I think it may be $100 a month or something like that. We'll just my phone next to me. Headsets from all over the place. Got AI in the phone, but somehow it's not on the computer. Let's see what it costs. AI tells us everything. Click funnels cost. Yes, it's like $97 a month if you're starting out. You can get it even advanced at $300 a month. It's just way too expensive. to be honest. It has got its own affiliate program that you can join for free, but unless you've got a large email list, you're really pitching this to these characters like Taya Lopez, who are well established businesses, and you can create really great pages and great funnels which just take you from the main offer, which would normally be a free gift like an ebook, and then into the different products. So you'd really have to create these products by scratch. May take a decade to learn all these things. So these are well established bloggers and network marketers, coaching consultants. So this is, I think, who the pitch is to, and then all the products in this for me is just um, over top's not the word, but it's just workflows, which would be if someone clicks on that you get taken to that page. It's just way too much for me. It's a great system, but for a beginner, you get lost in it. So a number one recommendation: start online business with a funnel already built in, which is one product, many income streams. That is, I think, would take the world by storm. So it's my number one recommendation is in the description. Please take a look. We'd love to have you there. Bye bye for now.